Convert floats to ints in Pandas? I've been working with data imported from a CSV. Pandas changed some columns to float, so now the numbers in these columns get displayed as floating points. However, I need them to be displayed as integers or without comma. Is there a way to convert them to integers or not display the comma?
Use the pandas.dataframe.astype function to manipulate column types. Edit. To handle missing values.
To modify the float output, do this.
Considering the following data frame. Using a list of column names, change the type for multiple columns with apply map. Or for a single column with apply.
To convert all float columns to int.
If you want to support the channel,